Alright, so this video is for waves and energy. In this activity, we dropped a stress ball into a little clear container to see how the height we dropped the stress ball would affect how big of a wave is produced when we dropped it. On the first slide, it asks you to answer the question how you think the energy of a dropped item will affect the amplitude or height of a wave. Take a second, answer that hypothesis. Then, after you've done that, go through and fill out the second slide, listing the independent variable, the thing that you change, or in this case that we changed in class, the dependent variable, which is what we measured, the materials needed, and then the procedures or steps that would need to be followed. Okay? When you're ready for slide 3 to start analyzing data, I've recorded the video of what we did in class. And then there's a little audio to go with that where I tell you what heights I say things went. Now, as you record these, make sure you look at the video and look at what the rest position of the water is, because I only tell you how high I think the wave gets to, where on slide 3, as you list that information on the data table, you want the change in height of the water. So you need to take the original height of the water and subtract that from the changed height, or the one that I mentioned in the video. Okay, and then I'll let you calculate your averages on your own, then graph it, and answer the questions on the final slide. If you need any help or have any questions, feel free to reach out. Alright, so here on this first one, we're looking through, it splashes. To me, that looks like about 4 centimeters, maybe 4.2 centimeters. As this one splashes, let's see what we get. That looks closer to 4.5 to me. In these, I'm just looking for like the highest point. That's more 4.5 again. Then this is the first one at 20 centimeters, and that'd be 4.4, I'd say. Next one at 20 centimeters, this one's definitely 5, maybe even 5.2. Our last one at 20 centimeters is, I'd say 4.5, 4.4. Okay, now we're starting into our 30 centimeter height. This first one is about 5.5. I would give that a 5.5 as the wave. Second on the 30, that one's about a 5, maybe a 4.7 to 5, somewhere in that range. And then the last one, that one is about a 4.5.